whole cake, Kadayawan cake. Meron silang durian, the parang chef's recommendation, signature humba Davao, chicken inasal, lechon baka. You should not miss this lechon baka. Diba? So good morning Davao. We are now here at Waterfront Insular Hotel for their Kadayawan Buffet. Let's check kung saan nasa lang menu. If you're visiting Davao this Grand Kadayawan weekend, I invite you to be here and experience their buffet. So let's go. So this is located here sa Mahilanang, Davao City, and we're going to enter here sa Cafe Uno. So I'm here with my content creator friends. Nakaon na sila. So ito yung buffet part. As you enter, you see here some Filipino options or Filipino snacks maybe. Kwek-kwek, tempura, usual lobster ball, kikiam, and nasa like, I think this is the or lukot-lukot. I'm not sure if the same sila, pero same sila now. Chicken dynamite, and so on and so forth. So this is the main Kadayawan buffet table. So as you enter I think this is edible cake, Kadayawan cake. Nice kaayo. Meron silang durian, the center, and then we have here lanzones, mangosteen. I think this is not edible, pero this is their signature dish. This is the beef oxtail kare-kare. Parang chef's recommendation. Specialty nila here sa Waterfront Cafe Uno. Then we have Humba Davao. Signature Humba Davao. Squarish ang meat. Tapos, of course, medyo tuyo yung so. Then, we also have here chicken inasal. Chicken inasal. Try natin yan later. Binusog na pusit or stuffed pusit, seafood pinakbet here. Tapos, look guys, they have bulkachong here for Kadayawan. Nice. Let's check how looks like. Kung same ba siya na bulkachong dun sa downtown. Same lang naman. Orange yung kanyang sabaw. Tapos, I believe this is not pork, this is beef. And at the back of this, or at my back is there, ito rin, lechon baka. You should not miss this lechon baka. Super sarap together with their signature lechon baka sauce. Okay, if you're planning to go here, don't miss this one. Let's go here. Uy, paubos na yung kanilang assorted sushi and mac. May clip ako kanina na kompleto pa yan. Of course, lechon roll. Dapat hindi talaga yan mawala, lechon roll. And on this side, we have salads. Okay, dito muna tayo sa kanilang 65th anniversary na menu. So these are their specialties and featured dishes as they celebrate their 65th anniversary, 65th year of existence here in Davao City. So first we have the beef kalyos. Tapos ito guys, you must have this creamy beef lengua. Look at that. See? And ito rin, isa sa mga recommended ko rin ito, itong beef tapa sa tuba. Did you know that yung tuba na gamit nila dito is sila mismo yung may gawa? Kasi if you can notice here sa kanilang hotel, may mga ano yan sila, may mga coconut trees yan sila mismo may gawa ng kanilang own na tuba. And we have maya-maya mayonesa. Ang colorful niya, I think it's not really fish inside. I think so, yes. And St. Peter's fish in velvety were with black sauce. Eto, ewan, kayo na lang basa niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya basahin. But I think this is chicken and porchetta. So may lechon roll na, may porchetta pa. Amazing. And on this side, this is their Kadayawan table wherein they feature traditional dishes from different indigenous tribes. First, we have here the piaparan from Maranao. So meron siyang shrimp, chicken, fish, tapos meron siyang coconut milk with palapa. I love palapa. Sa Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is unripe jackfruit na merong rich coconut milk. Ayan siya. So this is vegan. I think so. Vegan or vegetarian. We also have here chicken panggang. Marinate. Chicken siya marinated in burnt coconut. Amazing. Ayan o, kung kita nyo. Burnt siya or may black siya ng mga yun. And hilot-lot sa manok sa gata. From Bagobo, Tagabawa. Yan na lang yung natira. Yan yung itsura niya. So, that's coconut milk yan. And tiola itong. This one is, yung sabaw niya is color black. Sabaw niya is from burnt coconut husk, I believe. So, and I believe this is beef pieces. Masarap yan. Para siyang, medyo ano siya, gingery na merong, alam mo yung lemongrass? Lemongrassy siya na. And on this side, may mga different fruits that you can find here in Davao City. Merong lansones, rambutan, avocado, saging, watermelon, more rambutan, more fruits. Hindi pa pala tayo pumunta sa desserts. On this side, they have the bread station. Merong different butters, may plain, may salted, may with herbs, merong ube ensaymada. I believe this is Spanish bread and labush. On this side naman, merong banana pie. We must get one before pa maubos. Ube turon, chocolate cake, pastillas, and durian panakota. We have to get one. And avocado tarts. So kanina kuha na tayo ng yung mga favorites ko na meat like the lechon baka, yung beef tapa with beef tapa sa tuba, and yung creamy beef egg. So let's try that before we run out of other food options. Okay, so here's our plate. First, let's try the lechon baka with their signature lechon baka sauce. Grabe ka, super tender. Of course, ang baka sauce is more on the soy sauce side, or soy sauce flavor. Let's try it with rice, of course. Don't try it without rice, diba? Don't try lechon baka without rice. So puro beef tayo today. Beef tapa with tuba. Again, tuba nila is homemade. Sila mismo yung may gawa. Kasi they're surrounded with coconut trees here. Of course with rice. Rice first, and then chase it with the beef. Super lambot. Then, of course, lengua. Super creamy, super... So, let's try. You know what, at first, lengua, halos hindi ko siya i-try before, but when I tasted it here sa waterfront, nahanap na talaga siya ng palate ko. Masarap talaga siya. Di mo siya naisip na ano pala siya, dila pala siya. And then yung kalyos, ito first time ko itong i-try. One of their signature dishes here as they celebrate their 65th anniversary. Tomato. Okay. Second plate, guys. First, we have the signature chicken inasal. So this one is the Davao Humba. Luglog. Pinakasikat nila na kare-kare. Sushi, sashimi on the side. Pusit na binusog na muntik na hindi mabusog. Kasi wala man siya isulod. Gikuha na sa mga tao, no? And then, of course, the top oven, bali chicken siya braised in wine, lardons, and mushroom. So that's our second plate. And on this bowl natay tiola itom. First time, even though the first time I was here, I did not try it. I don't know why. And of course, the extra room for our tummy, our desserts, avocado, durian tart, durian panakota, and durian manok. Ay, nag-record na. Let's go for our second table. Second table? Second plate. Second plate, manggod. Mapapagtulog nung. Sa tungunan. Of course, ang ilahang signature kare-kare, one of the best here in Davao. Tender beef, gulay, and of course, mag-oos. Cheers. Davao Humba. Muna siya mushroom, guys. Let's try. Cheers. Chicken. Cheers. Yung chan. Cook Avon. Wow.
Yes.
Cook Avon.
Tama yan.
Okay. Dili siya adobo, guys. Definitely not adobo. It has its own characteristic. Binusog na pusit. Here. Direct na bite ng pusit. Hindi siya gummy. Yula ito, as you can see, may itim-itim yung kanyang sabaw. Charred na coconut husk. Ano sa coconut? Coconut na di-burn. And marada siya hinalang? Hinalang daw. Let's try. If, you know, nasa iyang own flavor. Dapat na siya ay rice. Lami. Unique siya. Wala siya kaparehas sa akong na-count so far ha. Avocado turn. Hindi siya durian. Cheers. Hindi siya tamis. At long as dito siya tamis. Panakota. Durian panakota. Cheers. Gelatin siya. Nasa hint of durian. Hindi siya lagyan ng durian kanang siguro ang mga non-durian lovers will love it. Banoffee pie. Cheers! Magkuha pa dugang desserts at ang durian nasa Demerceder. Desserts. Di ko lang makinig ng braso to pero durian braso Demerceder. Cheers! Sakto na ang yung durian, pagka-durian. Hamuton natin. Nasa sunog-sunog na taste, di ba? So I think that ends our waterfront Cagayan buffet experience. Again, if you're in Davao this month of August, I invite you to come here and experience their buffet. If available yung mga dishes nila for their 65th anniversary, you have to try the lengua, the kalyos, and of course, beef tapa sa tuba. Sa regular menu nila, of course, don't miss their signature kare-kare, Davao Humba. Yun lang, I hope you like this video even though gubot yung video, I hope you still like it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment which one we should try. That's it. See you in the next video.